Welcome to the SQL Developer Interview Series. I'm your host, and today we'll be diving into creating and altering tables in SQL Server with SQL Developer Expert. Let's get started with this technical interview discussion. Hey there! So when it comes to SQL Server, how do you typically go about creating and altering a table?
That's a fundamental part of SQL development. In SQL Server, to create a table, I usually use the create table statement with the table name and column definitions. For example, in a recent project where we were building a customer database, I created a table named Customers with columns like customer ID, first name, last name, and email. This allowed us to store customer information efficiently.
Interesting. How about altering a table once it's already in use? Have you encountered any challenges or best practices in that process?
Well, altering a table can be tricky, especially in a production environment. In my experience, when we needed to add a new column to the customers table to capture additional data like phone number, we had to be careful about the impact on existing queries and applications. We used alter table statements with considerations for data migration and backward compatibility to ensure a smooth transition.
That makes sense. In terms of performance, how do you approach table creation and alteration to optimize query speed and efficiency?
Performance optimization is crucial. When creating tables, I pay attention to defining proper data types, indexes, and constraints to support fast retrieval and data integrity. For alterations, I try to schedule them during off-peak hours to minimize downtime. In a recent project, we optimized table creation by using clustered indexes on frequently queried columns, which significantly improved query performance.
Great insights. One last question. Have you ever had to revert a table alteration due to unforeseen issues? How did you handle rollback strategies in such cases?
Rollback strategies are critical for data integrity. In a scenario where a table alteration caused unexpected errors, we immediately rolled back the changes using transactions and backups. We also had a version control system in place to track schema changes and revert to previous states if needed. This approach helped us maintain data consistency and recover from issues swiftly.
Thank you for watching this interview discussion. I hope you found it helpful for your interview preparation and career growth. For more technical interview questions and content, please follow the Clear Interviews channel. Good luck with your interviews.